Yes, you can install new flooring over existing tile in many cases without tearing out the old surface. Start by assessing the tile condition and substrate flatness. If tiles are loose, cracked, or hollow sounding when tapped, you must remove them or at least secure and repair them because any movement will telegraph through the new floor. Measure overall height buildup and ensure doors, thresholds, and adjacent transitions can be accommodated. Raise thresholds or trim doors if needed. For minor unevenness, use a cementitious floor leveling compound applied over a properly primed tile surface following the manufacturer cure times. Feather the edges and keep the surface within the recommended flatness tolerance for your chosen finish. Floating floor systems such as engineered wood or laminate with an appropriate foam or cork underlayment are forgiving of small imperfections and isolate the new surface from tile movement, so click-lock installation is fast and reversible. Luxury vinyl planks can be glued or floated. For glue-down installs, use a pressure-sensitive adhesive rated for non-porous substrates, and follow trowel size and open time instructions. And for floating vinyl, use an underlayment that provides moisture control and a consistent support layer. If you choose to glue down engineered wood over tile, scuff the tile surface, or use a primer to promote bond, and pick an adhesive specified for bonding wood to ceramic. Allow for expansion gaps around the perimeter as directed. Common mistakes are installing over unstable tile, which causes squeaks or failure and can be avoided by securely bonding or removing any loose tile and using a cement-based skim coat for bonding. Another issue is ignoring height and door clearances, which leads to trimming doors or creating awkward transitions, so measure clearance first and plan threshold solutions or undercut door frames before you begin. A third mistake is inadequate moisture assessment on slabs under tile that permits moisture migration and adhesive breakdown. Use a moisture meter or perform a calcium chloride or relative humidity test as appropriate, and choose moisture mitigation or a waterproof underlayment when levels exceed product limits. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to give contractors a place to find projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals trade practical tips, ask project-specific questions, and share real-world experiences.